Hello and welcome to WordPress tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to migrate or how to import products from Shopify to WooCommerce. So we will first download the CSV from our Shopify store by logging into our admin panel of our Shopify store, and then we will modify the Shopify CSV using a tool called importwoocommerce.com, and then that CSV will be used to import products to WooCommerce. So that will be very short video because I have only approximately 10 to 15 products in which only two are variable. These two are variable products while all other are just simple products. So you will get the idea how variable and both simple and variable products looks like in WooCommerce. So first of all, let's check all these products and click on export and choose all products and use plain CSV. Click on export. It will take a couple of minutes before it sends you the CSV to your email address. Okay, while this is exporting, let's go to a new browser and type import woocommerce.com. Press enter and let's log in. Go to Shopify to WooCommerce tool. Okay, here you will have to join now because this is a monthly subscription tool. If you go to join now, this will show you this screen where premium package and Shopify migration tool. So you will have to choose this one. Click on select and fill in the form. As I am already logged in, so this will not allow me to use this. Okay, let's just log out now and let me use my own credentials to log in because I already activated my subscription for my account. Okay, you can fill in the username, password, confirm email address and confirm email address and pay with PayPal and your account will be ready. Then you will have to click on this and log into your account. Once I am logged in, I'll go to Shopify to WooCommerce page again, and here there's a field choose CSV and upload and convert. So once we have the CSV, let me open my Gmail and see if it sends the CSV to my email address. Yes, export file is ready. Let's click on download CSV. I'll keep this on my desktop or let's keep it in downloads folder. Once it's downloaded, I'll go to the import WooCommerce page where we just signed up and logged in. Let's grab this here or let's just click on choose file, upload this CSV, click on upload and convert. It will show this progress bar and there will be a download button once it's finished. Click on download file and this is product export 1 converted. Click on save and done. Our WooCommerce CSV is ready. So here's my WordPress website and it's completely empty right now. If you go to products, there are no products at all right now, and the CSV which we just downloaded in our document or download folder have all our Shopify products. So here is the option. Are you already selling somewhere else? Import your products from a CSV file. So click here and choose a file. Choose product export converted. So converted file which we converted on importwoocommerce.com. Do not choose this option because this will only update the existing products using ID or SKU. Click on continue. And for the mapping section, you do not need to map anything because the headers are already matching That is why it will do exactly the same. The date, sale price, tax, in stock, low stock, purchase price, purchase note, sale price, regular price, categories, tags, images. So everything is there, including the attributes and the variations. So if you run importer, it will take a couple of minutes because there are not a lot of products. There are a couple of 10 or 20 products, or maybe 40 to 50 images, because each product have more than one image. Like the variable products have approximately 20 to 25 images per product. So we have two variable products, that's approximately 30 to 40 images, and all the single product may have two images, so approximately 20 images for that, so 50 to 60 images in total. Okay, let's open all products in a new tab and see if the products are coming. Yes, products are still coming, and you can see we have the stock already. The variable products, these two are the variable products, price range 0 to 800, price range 500 to 800, and the categories, the tags, the user titles, images. So let's see this one image, one product. Let's finish the import first. Right click and open in a new tab. Okay, we have this iPhone large image, we have the thumbnails, and when you click, it will scroll to that image. Now we have color option. We select beige, storage 128, and condition good. So for this we have 570 price, and it's out of stock. Let's see, we have black. Yes, we have 5 in stock and 570 is the price. Let's choose the different memory and different condition, very good condition, and change a different color, change a different memory. Okay, this is out of stock. Okay, now let's open the other product and see. I think this one have maximum data. We have 600 used, 405 in stock, refurbished 505 in stock, new 706 in stock. So if we choose gold, the image will automatically change, as you can see. If you choose purple, and the purple one is 706 in stock, and the white is 0 out of stock, and the image is already changed. So that is how you can import or migrate all your Shopify products to your WooCommerce products. I hope you learned something from today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and you will not miss my future videos. Thank you.